Hello guys, I just deleted Instagram, TikTok, Facebook from my phone and every other social media that always distracts me. And the reason for doing that is because I just found out that all these apps in my phone is really making me less productive than I should. And I am currently on a 30 days personal challenge and this is just my attempt to like win. So guys, I want you to join me on this journey. I'm going to show you some of the framework I've set put in place for me to achieve like my consistency goal. I'm going to show you what my plans is. So come with me in my system. Let me show you what I have planned. So this goal, this consistency plan basically is just to like it's just to make sure that I am better in the next 30 days of my life. I don't just want to end up consuming people content. I want to also be very wise for myself. So let me show you the framework I've put in place to make all this possible for myself. Now, trust me, it's you may think this is just even an attempt to consistently create because I found out I'm always watching people's video. Why not just create my own? So, ladies and gentlemen, I want you to join me. Let me show you how my challenge is going. So I'm going to share my screen right now, and you're going to see how this challenge is for me. So this is my this is the tab I'm using. This is I named this challenge the 1 million habits model, and it has just four goals. It has just five goals. Yeah, it's just consistent prayer. Yeah, consistent content creation, consistent content writing, business work, Bible study. So anytime I achieve any of this in this time, I just mark it. So currently I'm even creating videos, so yes, I'll mark it because I'm going to upload it. So this is just an attempt for me to be, an Bible study. Then after I'm done, I'll just do a remark. I'll just write a remark. I was able to code this by myself using AI tools and just little software here and there. So guys, I know that many of you are busy, watching people's video online. If you really want to take the bulls by the horn, if you want to be consistent with your own life, then one of the ways to do that is just for you to if you want to be one of the ways to do that is just for you to like take up decisions like this. Decisions like this will change your life. Deleting these apps doesn't mean I don't like all these apps on my phone. It just simply means that I want to become more productive with myself. You get. So I don't know whether you have similar situations like this. I don't know whether you have similar situations like this, whereby you want to achieve something very remarkable in your own life. One of the ways you can just do that is just to shut out the noise. Everybody, people that has less intelligence than you are making more money than you, all because they are using their brain. They are just creating. They are out there. But you that have the intelligence, that have all the tenacity, you're not making that money. And why is it so? Because you're not creating. Now, what am I going to be doing in these 30 days? I'm just going to be sharing everything that has helped me make money for the last 3 years of my life. So all the things I have done, I'm going to be sharing them in these 30 days. So I want you to join me in these 30 days. Let's make it. I'll join me from day one, day two, day three, day four, day five. And I'm sure you're going to learn a lot and you're going to see. I'm going to show you real time how I'm also marking all these goals that I'm achieving for myself. Now, how am I telling you this? I want you to also plan yourself. I want you to also, set a goal for yourself. There's something I believe. I believe in the seed time and harvest. When Joseph was in the prison, he came out, interpreted the king's dreams, and one of the message from that whole story was that there is 7 days of plenty and there is 7 days of famine. Currently, now maybe you don't have any stress and all, and you feel like it's going to be like that forever. It may not be like that forever. You need to open your mind and consistently create something that would help you make money when probably the 7 days of famine come. You may be asking yourself, but currently, if you say I'm in the 7 days of plenty, I'm not making money. Your freedom is more than money. Your time, you currently have time now, is more than money. So use that time into good use. That is what is going to produce result for you. Like in this consistency challenge, if you can check correctly, you're going to see some of the things I planned. Some of the things I planned checking up is some of the things I planned was if I show you my screen, I planned YouTube. I want to take YouTube very serious right now because yes, YouTube is one of the things that gives money. That's probably giving me money. So why shouldn't I take it serious? Now, praying consistent is like spirituality is very important for me. Creating videos like this, documenting myself, how I'm able to do certain things, very important for me. Now, without writing, it's not even possible to create. So I want to write every day. And there's something called business work. Anything relating to business, I just shut out a particular hour of my time, at least a minimum of 2 hours to work on business for me to be able to like check this one. For me to be able to check this one. Today and yesterday I was not able to work on the business, but today I was able to do that. Now, the goal is that at the end of this challenge that is going to be ending on September 24, I want to be able to like everything should turn green, and you guys are going to walk this journey with me. It's not going to be easy. Consistency is never easy, but right now I'm asking you to hold me accountable, to show me, just hold me accountable, and so that I can consistently create videos for you. I'm going to be teaching you some of the things that I've achieved in my life. Basically, is how to really make money from my knowledge. I'm going to be telling you some stories on how I was able to do that and frameworks on how you can do so this as well. Tell you my business journey at every point in my life, how I was able to stop some things and how I'm able to like transcend into new levels. So all those I'm going to be teaching you. Also going to be showing you some AI tools, like showing you how to use some AI tools and all. So this is just a random video. This is everywhere. The video is all over the place. But from tomorrow, by next tomorrow, in fact, tomorrow when I start scripting before I present, I'm sure you're going to have a more elaborate, intelligent videos from me. Not just, but I just want to inspire you. Like, if you have those apps on your phone that is delaying you, that is eating some of your precious time, I want you to sometimes you just need to remove those apps, because to be honest with you, those apps, if you keep them on your phone for a very if you keep like do you just imagine, have you ever experienced that after you go to Facebook, you go to Instagram, you go to Twitter, you go to everywhere, and at the end when it's time to do your own personal job, you just relax, you just get tired. There's a spirit. There's a spirit in all those things. So that is why it's very, very important that I personally like deleting those apps. I like putting my temptation under submission. I just delete them, and I'll just see whether I can actually do without these apps. So if you listen to this point and you want to join me on this journey, it's going to be a 30 days video, 30 days journey, 30 days me showing you how I'm ticking the goals and all. I can even show you how I run the business, how I do everything for the next 30 days. I don't know where this will lead to, but I know to lead somewhere. I want to have a community. I want to build a community. I want us to be productive together, and I want us to achieve success. So with that being said, I'm so happy to like share my journey with you, and see you on the next video where I'm going to be like showing you planning mode. I may even give a curriculum what I'm going to be teaching for the next 30 days. So see you in the next video. Well done. If you watch this video to this point, don't forget to subscribe and like and also comment. Wait. This video is going to be almost unedited because I just want to like filter up anything that will delay me to be productive. So anyhow you say, just watch it like that. With that being said, see you on the next